Welcome. If you've been looking for a simple way to clear archived channel messages on the WhatsApp app for PC after the most recent update, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so you can quickly tidy up your archived chats without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and your chats are fully synced, so everything is ready to go. Now take a look at the left side menu. This is where all of your chats and settings are located. Here, you'll see an option called Archived. Click on it, and it will open up all the chats and channels you've previously tucked away. Scroll through the list until you find the channel you want to clear messages from. Take your time and make sure you've selected the right one, because once you clear a chat, the messages won't be accessible anymore. Next, place your cursor over the chat you want to manage. Right-click on it to open up the available options. In the menu that appears, select Clear Messages. This is the command that removes everything inside that chat while still keeping the channel itself listed. Before anything happens, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm this action. This extra step makes sure you don't clear things by mistake. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure you want to delete all the messages from that channel. And that's it. The chat will remain archived, but all the messages inside it will be gone. This is a great way to free up space, stay organized, and make sure your archived section stays uncluttered. With these quick steps, you can manage your conversations more easily and keep your WhatsApp app on PC running smoothly. Try it out whenever you need a fresh start for an archived chat. Thanks for watching.